The old read option.
This will be done 19.
That smells delicious.
It does. It smells very delicious.
Right.
All right, so now we're going to go for it. We're going to go for
The Lightning are going to line up.
It looks like the Lightning will attempt the extra point. They will go for the field goal.
Looks like Luke's taking over the job.
Mick Fuel lines up to kick the extra point.
Ball snap. Holders got it. Kick is away, and it is good.
Extra point is good.
So, with that being said, with 2:54 left to go in the third quarter, your score, the West Point Tanks 26, the West Virginia Lightning 18. I blame you.
Yes.
Where's it at?
That's at the river.
You never been to the river?
No, he
Which is
hasn't.
sponsored by, which is a sponsor of us, the river. Very delicious. You never been to the river?
It's always
Man, that's a
Tania's
treat.
fault. If anybody doesn't know, now you know. Everything's Tania's fault.
Yeah, I could stub my toe right now and blame it on her.
I could be all the way in West Virginia right now, and it still be Tania's fault.
True. Very true. Very true.
Hey. Another one bites the dust. Hey.
Such a good song.
Luke Martin and John Tez Jones back to return for the Tanks.
All right. Ball is teed up and ready to go. Tanks will receive. Oh, he's going to boot it. And he's going to take it. And he's going to take off. He's got to bring it out. Uh-oh. But he's got a seam.
Oh,
He's got a
up.
big seam.
Snook Martin's
He's got a
gone.
convoy of
Snook
blockers.
Martin's gone, and he's cut at the 45-yard line.
At the 46-yard line. Oh, boy.
Woo!
Oh, he took his helmet off.
No, that was Snook Martin.
Well, it's coming back now because of the
Luke
flag.
Martin on the kick return, but we have flags on the play.
Referees are huddling together.
Wow, that was a long run.
Yeah.
Gotta keep our heads.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know how far he's back. I think he just crossed the goal line, though, because he only stepped in about the goal line.
What?
You know that Jeopardy thing, like when they're
Oh,
the
he had to
final
go.
round?
Yeah. Oh, I wish I had that. That'd be funny.
You know, the rest took a huge shot out of that.
Our officials still huddling together.
Yeah, still trying to figure this out.
Well, here we go. Here's the call. Oh, wait, there he's walking over to Coach Rice.
Get trouble with.
It's getting a little crazy. One thing you do not want to do on a field is take off your helmet. And the press box is comedians today.
Wow.
They have Jeopardy playing right now while the refs are trying to figure out what to do. Shout out to Ohio and Kentucky State Refs Association.
Wow.
And we have unsportsmanlike conduct against the Tanks.
ball maybe on the 38.
Yep. The
Yes,
Tanks
the
will,
ball.
Tanks will have 15-yard penalty because it was after the play.
7-yard line.
I believe it was after the play, so they will spot it at the 38-yard
The
line.
38-yard line. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen. I had to get up out my seat. This game is too intense for me to sit down.
Two years later.
All right, what's going on here?
I have no idea what's going on. The ball, they seem to be huddled together again.
Roll that tape. Roll the Jeopardy footage.
Yeah, we may have to roll the Jeopardy footage again. I don't know what they're waiting on.
These bugs are getting hecka intense in here. The refs.
What is he doing?
The refs. The refs.
I'm
Boy.
confused.
The refs have us on hold right now, ladies and gentlemen.
I really don't know what's happening
We don't know
here. It's
what's
like
going
they're-
on right now.
Man, I could have went and got myself a hot dog. Here we go.
Yes, now we got a ball
now
game.
We got a ball game again. Woo-wee.
Shoo.
Oh, they're gonna stop
And here we go.
playing
We
again.
stop play again. The refs are in control of this
all right.
game right now.
Now they're just
in case you
now they're
guys
just
did not
teasing us.
know.
All right, Swords in the shotgun formation. He takes the snap, drops back. He's going to throw a screen.
Oh,
and he
drops it.
And we'll call it an
AJ
incomplete
Williams
pass.
drops it.
A.J. Williams is incomplete.
I say he completes that. He's got a seam.
2nd and 10.
Because he sure knows how to make a guy miss.
Sure enough. Yes. Try to get this crowd rowdied up.
Mm-hmm. All right, Swords back in the shotgun formation. 2nd and 10. He takes the snap both, but there's a flag
looks
on the
like
play.
Might be Austin.
And once again, we
Oh,
have a
false
flag on
start.
the play.
False start against the Tanks.
Yep, they're going to call it false start.
False start on the Tanks. Loss of 5 yards.
This game's a lot closer than the previous games, I'll tell you that.
Yes, a lot closer.
It'll be 2nd and 15, ball in the 33, Swords in the shotgun formation. He takes the snap, he drops back, and he's evading the tackler. Oh, and he evades, he throws it deep.
He throws it
and
deep.
he's got another man. Oh, no.
Oh!
Lost it in the lights.
It could have
Almost
been
interception.
intercepted. And he's down doing his push-ups
Yep, he's
right
doing
now
his-
by the
he's
Lightning
doing
player.
his 10.
If I'm not mistaken, that may have been Jason Harris.
He's probably not going to let that one go on the page.
As y'all didn't know, in 2015, I was Jay Harris' #1 hater. I started a hate squad. I was the president of the Jay Harris hate squad.
Wait, didn't that just...
I got an update by Billy Cole. The Cincinnati Dukes upset it. The Dayton Oilers, 18-0.
Wow.
So
All right, Swords
shout out
takes
to the
snap.
Dukes
He's
on the
gonna
west
hand it off.
side.
Oh, no. Yeah, and they can't, and they dropped the ball. It'll be 4th down.
That was, yes, that was AJ.
Ball was fumbled on the play. Recovered by the Tanks.
Can we get an update for the Portsmouth Stealth? Anybody know?
And very long.
Yeah, our neighbors on the Portsmouth Stealth. How's that game going?
I don't know. The Chiefs was up 6-0,
Yeah, I'm actually surprised in the Chiefs. I didn't think they could compete. But
which they are in the PAFL this year.
They are proving me wrong.
Yes, Billy Cole, it is a lot closer, and I do agree. The Lightning is not a high school team, for we know they have been a very contended team for the past many years. Chiefs are tied 6-6.
Can we please play some football? Jesus said we'll do something.
And last he heard, Stealth was up 18-0.
Yep, and we just got a scoring update. The Chiefs game is now tied 6-6 at the beginning of the third quarter.
Shout out to the semi-pro listeners that keeps us updated. Much love. Especially shout out to Billy Cole, the man behind the plan.
The man himself. He snaps the ball. He's going to take it, and he's going to punt
Zach and that golden leg, boy, I tell you.
it. And he's going to take a bounce. Oh, it's going to take a good tank bounce just a little bit, and it's going to be it's going to be down at the 46-yard line. Good punt by Zach.
West Virginia Lightning take over 1st and 10 from their own 46-yard line.
Yep, Lightning will take over. 1st and 10 on the 46-yard line. With 24.2 seconds left to go in the third quarter, your score 26-18 takes over the Lightning.
Yeah, 4-6. Yep, no, they spotted it there. I questioned it at
That's the
first.
longest third quarter I've ever seen.
Oh, no, this has been the longest game. It's
Usually
the
it's
third.
Really?
It's
always the third quarter.
The last game ended at like 7. Like, no, not 7. All right, that was
No, it was like 7:30.
It was like 7:30 it ended.
All right, he takes he drops the ball, but he's got a running back that's right there to pick it up and picks up about 3 to 4 yards.
Fumble on the play. Recovered by the Lightning.
Woo, 61 kind of took. He kind of trucked over a couple tanks plays.
He is a former Marshall alum, I believe. And that will be the end of the third quarter.
And Jackson County Patriots are up 35-12 over the Columbus War Eagles.
Hey.
The Lightning 8.
Third quarter is now in the books. We now go to the fourth with the score. The West Portsmouth Tanks 26, the West Virginia Lightning 18.
The West Virginia Lightning are in trouble. They have to do jumping jacks if they're behind to their opponent. So they're out there as a team getting their jumping jacks in. So that's shout out to their head coach, because that's actually a good idea
That
to
is
do.
a very good
idea.
Very good. And even Chris Hill joining in on the fun over there.
Yeah, Chris Hill was out there getting his jumping jacks on too. So right now, I'm going to throw my mic over to my brother, Chris Parsons, for 2 minutes of the fourth quarter so I can get out here in this action.
He's like, say no more. He's like, say no more.
All right, fans, fourth quarter. Let's get this place rocking.
All right, fourth quarter has now begun. 2nd and 9.
Been another round in here. It's the longest 15 minutes.
Oh, absolutely.
45 box service.
Oh, he drops back. He's going to throw it deep. Uh-oh.
Oh,
He's
interception.
And it's picked
Interception.
off. Man, that looked like a punt return. And he's taking off, and he's still
shaking like
evading
3 people
tacklers,
already.
and he's going to be brought down at about the 35-yard line.
There's almost been 10 interceptions this game.
And the pass is intercepted by the Tanks, but again, we've got a flag on the play.
Got an interception with a flag on the play. Injured player.
Oh, we have an injured player.
All right, can we keep talking? Well, tick-tock, tickety-tock-tock.
Well, we have an injured player on the field. I'm not sure if it's a Tank or Lightning.
So it was interception by Torm Whiting.
seems worth it.
Players,
No,
think
I
74.
paid $500.